Welcome to the live session. I'm late today. Pardon me. It was a bit of late day, but it's still on the. We have come to the chart, and thank you for joining the live session. I'll be just preparing some of the things that if you guys are here, let me know so that you can start the full analysis. Welcome, traders. Thanks for joining the live session. Okay, so let's begin today's session. Today is Wednesday, very important day as well. So you'll see some high impact news coming later today. We will be looking at that. Before I progress to the full analysis, I would like to see that every member is here so that we can begin this today's live session. I see that Flo is here. Yo, thank you very much. Happy to it happens today. Thank you for joining. Welcome. Santa, good morning, everyone. South Africa is very cold today. Thank you. Yeah, I see that there's a very cold morning, brother. How was your night? Welcome. Thanks for joining this live session. Before I go to the full live analysis, let's quickly look at, we will be looking at the calendar here. So what you can see that, let's look at the calendar to see what's happening today. Today, 12 a.m. in my zone, which is coming, Fed Chair Powell will testify. And tomorrow coming up, GDP, followed by tomorrow, 10:30 p.m. coming up, core CPI unemployment claim. Pretty big movement coming in the market, followed by Friday core PPI. So next 2 days, including today, we can expect good volatility in the market, because this early week was not that much of volatile because of we saw that there was a slow movement, and that might give a bit of a stronger momentum in the market. So let's see what's happening. And let's first of all begin with some of the instruments that might give us trading opportunities, such as gold, GJ, British pound, US dollar, dollar yen, quite a few instruments moving in the market. So which one do we look at? Gold. Let's begin with gold. And with gold, I will be looking at, first of all, monthly perspective to see overall direction in the market. All right, so let's begin. And before I start the full analysis, traders, if you just smash the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let me adjust this one here. If you like the stream, much appreciated, because when you like the stream, it shows to more people, helpful to the channel. Thank you. All right, so let's first look at gold. And are you guys want me to start gold, or other? Do you say as welcome, brother from Nigeria? Thank you very much. Good afternoon. Smakey, welcome. Lafati, good morning. We'll be with bank this weekend. Thank you very much. Gold, please. Yes, trading with gold. Welcome. Thank you for that. Okay, so first of all, let's look at. I will be starting with gold. Okay, and first let's look at the bigger picture. Why we need to look at the bigger picture is because when you look at the bigger picture, you can see the smaller picture very easily. Starting from here, we can see that this is an impulse. Okay, from the monthly, and with this impulse on the monthly perspective, this is a pretty strong bullish impulse on the monthly. Now, the reason we are looking at the monthly, because monthly, weekly, and daily higher time frame will give you clear direction, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. So looking at bigger picture always will give you clear idea of the directional bias in the market. So looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that from here there is an impulse on the monthly, and with this impulse from the monthly, from this support level, we saw that there was a bounce. And with that bounce from the monthly perspective, expecting gold to, now we can see that from the monthly is coming down for a deeper pullback. And we will be waiting for further momentum in the market from the monthly. Now looking at the weekly chart, right, so what we can see that from the weekly, this is the weekly price action, weekly. Okay, so what we can see that this is the weekly impulse so far. And this week, initially we have seen that there was a drop here on the weekly. This is the weekly support. And so far we saw that gap opening and then drop to the neckline of this reversal. In the first 2 days, we saw that there was a drop. Now we can see the market from the weekly is trying to bounce back to the upside for a deeper pullback. If we look at the daily chart, all right, so what we can see, there is a daily doji. Now, we saw that there was a drop. Guys, here is real, what I would say, that market structure, that if you guys remember, this is what I talked before in our previous live, that this is the NFP movement here, a strong bullish impulse from the NFP candle, and we have seen that there was a drop here from that level. And with that drop, this is the, if you guys look at, you can see this is a daily doji. This daily doji is quite significant, as this daily doji has, yesterday we saw that there was a doji formation, massive liquidity grab, and with that massive liquidity grab, we saw that there was a I didn't silence my mobile, that's not fair. So it's not, it's on this second. All right. Okay, so hope that you guys are having a good time, good day, good trading day. So with this daily doji, okay, so here is the daily doji, long wick at the top, long wick at the bottom, two sides daily doji formation on gold. And what we can see here on the daily today, we saw that there was a bounce here, and the way the price action is forming, for me, I think gold might, it's my opinion, as I mentioned, it might be different. In the meantime, traders, I see that likes is almost 1/10 of the view. I would appreciate if you smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every single day. Now, we saw that this is the today's candle on gold, and with this today's candle, you guys look at it, you can see that the market trying to bounce back to the upside. And if we look at the 4 hour, here is the price action that I see on gold is, you see there is a double bottom from the 4 hour. This is the NFP candle. The market almost tested that NFP candle, and the price managed to bounce back up. The way this is forming is there is another smart money buying. I think that the smart money bought from here. This is a smart money zone. And with this bounce so far, the market is trying to maintain another bullish market structure. So we'll be waiting for the price to bounce back up, and with this bounce, expecting gold to move up and then to create a new higher high. So looking at the lower time frame, okay, so what we can see here, okay, so we saw the GJ also bouncing back to the upside.